you want to succeed in real estate, we're going to give you 4 secrets to help you achieve that success right now. So, Eric, we're talking immersion. How can someone immerse themselves in the real estate industry so they can learn everything they need to know to succeed?
Well, I think starting off is actually pretty easy. You know, they didn't have it when I was a kid, but YouTube videos is the number one thing that anyone that has interest in real estate should be doing. Just get on there, type in, for example, find us, The Real Estate Mix, and you're going to see all kinds of videos from different people talking about how they make success in real estate. Real estate is so vast, and there's so many different types of success that it's really worth it, and you'll learn a lot.
So if you're like into investing, you would watch The Real Estate Mix, or you could watch Bigger Pockets.
Yeah.
They're great. They have a lot. They've been out for a very long time. Second one that I'm thinking of, well, maybe it's because we have the school, but is take a course.
Absolutely.
You can take a course with the Center for Real Estate Education. You could go on Coursera, but just start taking the courses.
And there's so many courses out there, and they're not expensive. That you can take a course for $200, or you could take a course for $1,000. But there's so many courses out there, and look for reviews.
You can take a course for $19, actually.
Yeah. I'm sure you can. You know, I like to find the one with the right reviews, or go to a reputable institution. And just go for it.
So what's the next one? What should we be doing?
Well, this is my favorite one. Networking. Networking.
I hate networking.
Get on your Facebook page and look for Facebook groups and network at home through your Facebook group. Or find out where there's events actually being held and go to these events. So many times I've been to events and I meet all kinds of cool people because you're with like-minded people at these things, and everybody is just as scared as you are, or learning, has a thirst for knowledge just like you in the same topic. It's so easy.
And usually in your town, if you just Google like real estate events or real estate networking events, just rows and rows come up, and you can just look into them and see what people are saying about them and go.
Or make one. You know, type in on, I don't know how to do this because, you know.
Meetup.
But go on like Meetup and just say, hey, I'm going to go to Starbucks on Friday at 3 o'clock. Anybody who's interested in real estate, join me. And you'll probably have 20 people show up.
The whole point of this is immersion, to immerse yourself in real estate.
Jump in.
So the last one, and we both love this one.
Yes, we do.
Is the people that you meet, take them out for a cup of coffee.
Yeah.
Like that cup of coffee, that $3 cup of coffee could what?
Change your life.
It could change your life.
Yeah.
You could get thousands of dollars of really good advice for $3.
It's just like the lottery, $1 and a dream. Well, $3
$3
and a cup of coffee. You'll meet the right person who actually has experience.
Or you could be like me and go a little bit more expensive and have a glass of wine. That would be more my thing. But
or you could pay $24 and buy our book and learn about real estate investing.
Real estate investing made simple.
Any of those will work, but definitely get out there, meet people, talk to people. And it's a lot of fun. And as you're learning, you're just going to love it. And just jump in, feet first always. You always jump in, feet first. But go all the way past your head and enjoy.
So let us know what you think you're going to do to immerse yourself in real estate. What are your best tips for immersing yourself and learning all that you can in real estate? And if you enjoyed this video, watch our next one coming up. Thanks for watching this episode. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And we'll see you next time.